Hey y'all, it's Matthew here with another quick FAQ. And today we're going to talk about customer support here at EverLogic. Anyone who has ever reached out to a support line has that same fear: outsourced customer support. You don't know where they're based or how well they know the software that you need support for. You don't have the time to be worried about that. So EverLogic does all of our customer support locally, right here in Jacksonville, Florida. Our support team are all on the EverLogic payroll and go through rigorous training so that they are experts on the software by the time they are ready to answer your questions. You can reach out to customer support by creating a support ticket or calling us on the phone. And whether it's a bug in the system, a process you might not understand, or just something that doesn't seem right, we will patiently take you step by step through the problem until it is resolved. And by the way, if you have a quick question about EverLogic that doesn't necessarily need a support session, check out the EverLogic knowledge base. There are hundreds of articles and videos that will take you step by step through virtually any process on the software. Ready to learn more about EverLogic? Take some time to check out our free demo, or head on over to the EverLogic blog and learn about all that EverLogic has to offer you. I'm Matthew, and this is your EverLogic Quick FAQ.